Welcome to the SEO Tools channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Today let's take a look at what special characters are and how to use them in the HTML markup on your website. Also, you will learn how to properly insert these characters so that they are correctly displayed on the site. What types of symbols there are and how it will improve CTR in the Google search network. Let's look at some examples. As you can see, many online stores use special symbols to stand out from the competition. These symbols make your snippet more noticeable and expressive. These elements can be inserted both in the title and in the description. Also, large companies use emoji in social media. How to properly use special characters in HTML on your website. For example, I want to specify that the table on my site costs $50. To do this, I enter the ampersand code of the element and put a semicolon. You can also go to our site and choose the symbol you want to use. Copy it and install it in the code on your site. Now let's take a look at how to insert special characters in Google Docs. For example, you want to make a template for your Facebook or Instagram social media post. Writing the text. Go to the toolbar. The item insert and the item special characters. There are a lot of them, and I can just draw the icon I need, a smiley face, an arrow, and easily insert it on my site. Also, Windows has a built-in tool that allows you to use special characters in text. We need to press the Windows button and a period. You will see a dialog box where you can find the necessary elements. Let's say you need to illustrate a mathematical formula on your website, or show a benefit to a client in the form of an equation, square inches, or any other way to demonstrate your idea. Also support colorful, expressive emoji, which are more commonly seen social media. You can become more visible and catch the attention of customers. Arrows are one of the most common symbols. You can see what a variety of symbols have already been invented. All of them can be used creatively. Your website, or show a benefit to a client in the form of an equation. Now you can see how the same symbol can look in different representations. Unicode, HTML, CSS, mnemonic. It all depends on the method and code in which you will use the symbol. Now you can see how you can insert this code into CSS in built-in styles, and in a style file, which is located separately and connected to HTML. Java also has in its arsenal of Unicode icons that can be used in a project with its own features. The method is similar to CSS, but pay attention to the syntax. In front of you a comparative table with syntax in HTML and CSS. Do not confuse, and see how to do it correctly. Features of UTF-8 graphic characters, Unicode codes. Popular UTF-8 graphic characters Unicode codes, which are considered universal and used for internationalization, help encode the set of all special characters. In the SEO Tools blog, users will learn how to properly apply special characters in HTML and CSS. 1. Enter the symbol code. 2. Successively press the Alt and X keys. Unicode is considered to be a standard for encoding various symbols, which is considered to be the main one in the internet today. Moreover, the creation of new symbols never stops. They still remain unique and are not repeated. New symbols are often created from others standardized and already familiar. For example, the symbol A consists of two different symbols, A plus the diaresis symbol, diaresis. As a result, you can work with HTML5 special characters and other codes to design documents or complete web pages. Don't forget to subscribe to be the first to know all the new features in SEO optimization. Like this video and write a comment so that more people will see useful tools for themselves.